During this video, you will learn how to use the MeSH browser to retrieve articles relevant to your topic. When you are at the PubMed screen, you will see a heading that says Explore on the lower right-hand side. Underneath that heading, you will see a link to the MeSH database. This will take you to the MeSH screen. Now we are ready to type our keywords in the search box above. Let's say we are interested in finding literature about heart attacks. Quotation marks are not necessary when using the MeSH browser. The MeSH term we retrieve for heart attack is myocardial infarction. Under our MeSH term, we see its definition. In addition, there are also subheadings under the definition. You can check any of the boxes if you are interested in finding literature about the subheadings as they relate to your main topic. This will narrow your search. As we scroll down, we see a list of entry terms. If you enter any of these terms as they are listed, they will all pull up myocardial infarction in the MeSH browser. As we scroll down further, we will see what we call MeSH trees. These are hierarchies of terms from general to most specific. Clicking on any one of these terms will take you to its corresponding page in the MeSH database. We'll begin to create a search using the MeSH term by clicking the Add to Search Builder button. Then we will click on the Search PubMed button below it. When we view our results page, our MeSH term appears in the search box with the MeSH tag. We will now click on the link below the search box that says Advanced. This will take us to the Advanced Search screen. We're going to type the phrase heart attack without quotes, and using the drop-down box, we will click on the field that says MeSH terms. We will then click on the Add button to add our search syntax to the query box. As you can see from the query box, the Advanced Search screen is another way to execute a search using the medical subject headings. If we compare the two searches, we see we have pulled up the exact same number of results. We executed the same search in two different ways. If we view our abstracts, we will be able to look at the MeSH terms if any have been assigned. Under the heading Page Navigation, click on the link that says MeSH terms. Here you will see a list of MeSH terms that have been applied to this article. Clicking on any of these terms gives you the option to execute a new PubMed search, search for the term in the MeSH browser, or add the term to the search you've already executed. If we compare the MeSH terms of the article we retrieved to the MeSH tree for our original search term, myocardial infarction, we can see the similarities. This concludes our presentation on using the MeSH browser. If you have any questions, please contact us by email at library@lmunet.edu. Be sure to include your school in the email and the campus where you are located.